So I'm going to get a bowl like this. And I'm going to take two spoonfuls of fenugreek powder into my bowl. The next thing I'm going to do is to add hot water to this, and then I'm going to stir it just like this. After adding the hot water, I'm going to set this aside and leave it for the goodness to extract into the water. So I'm just going to set this aside for about 30 minutes. After soaking the fenugreek for about 30 minutes, this is what we have. Everything has turned into a mask. This is in semi-solid form. Go ahead and use this as a mask on your hair if you want to use it as a mask, but I'm not going to be using it as a mask, so I'll go ahead and turn this into a fenugreek hairspray. So what I'm going to do is to transfer it into a bowl like this, and then I'm going to add water to it and stir it. Add water little by little and stir until it is well dissolved. And this time around I'm not adding warm water, I'm just using my normal water at room temperature, and then I'm going to stir it very well like this. I'll add the remaining fenugreek paste to it. And then I will continue stirring this until everything is well dissolved. So I'll add more water to this. After dissolving it very well and there are no more lumps in it, I'm going to go ahead and strain this using a strainer. So I'll be straining this into this cup. So when I pour, I'll use my spoon to add the movement into the cup. This is going to take a little bit of time because I'm using a smaller strainer. So I'll keep the residue aside and then pour in more, and then repeat the same thing. And then because this is taking so much time and I want to make this faster for you, so I'm going to use a bigger strainer that can accommodate more, and I'm just going to pour it in. To strain the last set. And then this is what we have in the cup. So I'm going to stir it up very well. It is still very thick, as you can see, still very thick and slimy. So the next thing I'm going to do is to add a few drops of my tea tree oil for extra benefit to that, and it also smells really nice. So it's going to help mask the smell of the fenugreek seed. So adding essential oil is also very good in masking the smell, and it's going to help with your hair growth as well. So this is what it looks like up close. Then the next thing I'm going to do is to get my spray bottle. You can see there was water in this already. I'm going to just open it up like this and pour this into it. I'm just going to pour this in as slowly as I can to make sure it doesn't spill. And here we go. Our hair growth spray is ready. Fenugreek hair growth spray is ready. So I'm going to go ahead and seal this up, and I'm going to show you how to use this. So go ahead and use this on your hair. Use it all over your hair. It's very good. It's going to help stimulate your hair growth.